Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an electrifying comparison for you. It's the battle of the Brauns, as we pit the Braun Series 770/20's Flex Electric Razor against the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with everyone's favorite factor, the price. The Braun Series 770/20's Flex Electric Razor comes in at $129, while the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M is priced at $59. Now, I'm no mathematician, but that's quite a difference. Moving on to features, the Braun Series 770/20's Flex Electric Razor boasts a 360-degree adaptation for a smooth shave, even in those tricky areas. It also has AutoSense technology that adapts the power to your beard density, making it perfect for shaving even dense beards. And get this, folks, it's 100% waterproof for both wet and dry use, plus it comes with a precision trimmer attachment. On the other hand, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M offers a simple replacement process. Just click it on and you're good to go. It's easy to change and you won't have to struggle with complicated instructions. However, the package may vary, so keep that in mind. Of battery life, the lifeline of any electric razor. The Braun Series 770/20's Flex Electric Razor packs a punch with its Li-ion battery, giving you up to 3 weeks of shaving time. That's 50 minutes, folks. And if you're in a rush, fear not. It has a quick charge feature that gives you a full shave in just 5 minutes. That's quicker than making a cup of coffee. Now, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M doesn't have a battery, but it'll keep your razor running smoothly for longer. So, if you're not a fan of charging or forgetful like me, this might be the option for you. Alright, let's talk performance. The Braun Series 770/20's Flex Electric Razor is designed to provide a close and comfortable shave, even in those hard-to-reach spots. With its Flex adaptation and AutoSense technology, it's like having a personal shaving assistant in your hand. Say goodbye to those missed spots and hello to a smooth, clean shave. On the flip side, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M ensures that your razor performs at its best. It keeps the blades sharp and ready to tackle any stubble that comes its way. So, if you're already rocking a Braun razor and want to keep it in tip-top shape, this replacement part has got your back. The Braun Series 770/20's Flex Electric Razor and the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M battling it out. It's clear that both products have their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your personal needs and preferences. Remember, the Braun Series 770/20's Flex Electric Razor is perfect for those seeking a versatile and feature-packed electric razor, while the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M is a must-have for those looking to maintain their existing Braun razor. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest comparisons and buying guides. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.